Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make PNG from text in a second for free. You can access pngmaker.ai. You can click it on your Chrome. Here, let's try to generate. You can write prompt in here, input anything on your mind. For example, a cute dragon. Let's generate. So sorry, you have to, this is optional. You can create negative prompt here. For example, a male dragon or female dragon, for example, or without wings. You can create here negative prompt, but leave it be because it's optional. This aspect ratio, let's try 1:1. Number of image, just one image here. Image available for 7 days, download soon. So let's generate. Wait to start. Generate in progress here. Another wait. And here it is, a cute dragon PNG. So you can download it. Again, image available for 7 days, download soon. Let's try again. Maybe you have some ideas or something here. Let's try a Olympics medal. Generate. So here it is, Olympics medal PNG. There is a cute dragon with Olympics medal. So you can try to create your PNG in PNG Maker AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the next button below. See you in the next